Hey guys, thanks for being here with Hill and Carter. Say hello, hello. I just got home from work and I had this, wherever it is, on my front doorstep, my IPSY monthly subscription box. So I have mentioned before that I love subscription boxes. I get a whole bunch, and my favorite one has to be the IPSY. I have gotten IPSY for, I want to say 3 years. I'll say 2 to be safe. And it's just gotten amazing, like even better than what it was before. They had good brands, don't get me wrong, but this year they have stepped it up. The last 6 months they have upped to their brands, up to the products, even up to the size boxes. So this is the medium box. Before they had one size box and it was $10 a month, and it was like the travel size samples. Does that make sense? So they were like deluxe samples, and you get 5 every month, and you get to review them. Eyes down here, being all nosy. And you get to review them, and you get a makeup bag every month. So they just started doing 2 different, I have to pet Maya so she doesn't bark. They have 3 different boxes. The small one, they just changed it from 10 to 12, but it's worth it, trust me. And then they have the middle size box, which is this one, which is full size products. It's $25 a month. And you get 5. Can we just see what's going on right here? So if you hear dogs playing, it's them. But so they have this box for $25, plus you get the makeup bag to fit all your products in a month. And then they have another one. I don't know how much it is. It's like $50 or $60, but you get a combination of the travel or the deluxe samples and full-size products too. So this box that I'm opening is January's box. What I like about this boxes too is they just started. You can pick your item, one of your items in the beginning of the month, so you don't have to have all surprises. You can pick one. So this month I forgot to do that pick which item, but I am pretty happy with my products. So let's start off with unboxing. Maya says, let's go. So for the first product, I have this full-size AHAVA Essential Daily Moisturizer. It's for normal to dry skin. I love that it has like an IPSY exclusive written on it. And before I go into any more products, I want to say this month's makeup bag is so cute. They do a theme every month, and this month is so cute. I love that it has a little wristlet. I have so many of these little bags. They're great to put your lady feminine products in, a couple of your makeup products, a to-go toothbrush holder. They're great for everything. So I love it. It's huge. You can fit everything in it. And then the little bags, the $12 a month, have the same bag every month as the GLAM BAG PLUS, but it is a little smaller. So this is the big box, the big bag. And then also they have included, before I go any further, I was talking about it in my other video, my first video actually, about subscription boxes and how they include this little card. And it talks about all your products and how much everything is worth and some little tips to use it. So this AHAVA, I hope I'm saying it right, AHAVA Essential Daily Moisturizer was valued at $67. And it looks like it is vegan. It's paraben free, and it's approved for sensitive skin. So this was $67. And then next we have this GOLDFADEN MD Doctor Scrub. Full size, it is 1.7 float ounces. And this GOLDFADEN MD Doctor Scrub is valued at $38. I'm interested to see what this does. It does look like it has the bunny on it, so it's cruelty-free. That is nice. I love cruelty-free products. And I love IPSY because it gives me new products to try out that I'll fall in love with. And the site does have discounts for the brand. So if you fall in love with the product, you can go on the IPSY site and usually get that item that you really want discounted, or you can get cash back for it. So pretty good deal. And then next we have the PURLISSE. Oh gosh, I'm butchering these brands. The PURLISSE, it has a little accent over the U. That's why I said so funny. The Purlisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Adore Serum, and this is valued at $58. Then next we have this eyeliner, which I'm kind of annoyed that I got one eyeliner for a product in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, because I usually get eyeliners in my normal $12 bag, but I can't complain because I do have some really good priced items in here. So this is Sugar Cosmetics Wingman Waterproof Eyeliner in 01 I'll Be Black. And get the best cat eye of your life with this jet black liquid eyeliner. It's valued at $11.99. And really, let's see how I'll Be Black this is. Oh. It is very dark and it is very precise. So, I'm excited to try this eyeliner. Waterproof micro liner, Wingman I'll Be Black, made in Italy. And it is not tested on animals. It has the little bunny. If you see the little bunny, it's cruelty free. If you didn't know that. So we have the eye serum, that doctor scrub, the waterproof liner, the essential daily moisturizer, and then lastly we have this best sellers kit, and it is the $1 Billion Brows. I did see this at TJ Maxx or Ross. If anyone wants to know, a good deal. I don't know how much it was, but this is valued at $42. And it comes with 4 things. So even though I was a little annoyed with the one eyeliner, at least this comes with four things. And it comes with this little $1 Billion brush. It's a smudge brush, blends the Duo Brow pencil to perfection, which this is the universal brow pencil. And I don't even know what shade it is, and it looks really dark. Nice pretty brown. It has a little spoolie at the end. So the clear brow gel holds. Is that what this is? Oh no, this is what this is. So it comes with clear brow gel and then also a brow duo pencil. Uses the concealer end to cover blemishes and apply the highlighter to your brow bone to add gorgeous definition for an instant brow lift. So highlighter, concealer. So I got these little 4 babies, this little brush, the clear gel. I'm losing my voice. The clear gel, this eyeliner, and this highlighter and concealer. And then I also, you have the choice in the beginning of the month to add on products for like $3 or $12 depending on the size. But I believe for $3, and this is how I build my brush collection. I got this for $3. Ooh, I like this netting. This brush, it's a fair brush. I've been really obsessed with these FARAH brand brushes. They're really pretty and smooth. It's really, really soft. So I got this brush for an add-on for $3. Can't complain. Brushes are really expensive, and I really like this knitting that came with it. So those are the products. That's my January IPSY Glam Bag. If you guys were debating on getting IPSY and wondering what's inside, there you go. Thanks for joining, and see you guys next time.